The basic registry and information system in Nigeria, BRISIN, has been described as a vital tool for tackling insecurity and economic challenges in the country. Dr. Anthony Uwa, head of BRISIN implementation in Nigeria, says it is an integrated infrastructure that enables real-time data and information access across sectors to support governance and development. The federal government signed a service agreement to implement BRISIN in May 2007, with the Federal Capital Territory selected for the pilot stage. Uwa, however, expressed his concern that 18 years later, BRISIN has yet to be implemented despite its benefits.
You can just run program without correct data and information. You can't run administration, good administration, no data governance. You want to plan, you want to do everything for your people, and you don't have data and information system. Nigeria does not run any system as we stand because they don't have correct data and information infrastructure. And there's no way you can manage people. There's no way you can manage economy. There's no way you can solve the problem of security, problem of unemployment, problem of credibility without having data and information infrastructure.
Uwa says the idea behind BRISIN, signed during former President Olusegun Obasanjo's administration, is to build a foundation for sustainable development. He says it will boost investor confidence, enhance access to international funding, and help identify Nigerians, including those in diaspora.
It's assumed that before now, Nigeria would have been a better place. Nigeria would have been commanding power. Nigeria would have been so credible that every other country will respect us. We would have been a different place today if BRISIN had been implemented. So it's wise that the pilot which was given to FCT by the Federal Executive Council be implemented immediately without delay. This delay actually has cost Nigeria everything. FCT have done everything possible to see that BRISIN is implemented, but the Minister of FCT, I don't know whether he has not been informed, whether he has not been properly briefed, or what that made him not to have assented to the recommendation given to him. The solution providers have gone even ahead to procure $600 million to assist FCT pilot so that Nigerians can begin to understand the opportunity they have lost all these years.
He urged the FCT Minister, Mr. Nyesom Wike, to act, saying the project can generate over 1.5 trillion naira annually in internal revenue through proper economic monitoring. Also speaking, Mr. Lorenzo Satangelo, a director at Demo Impex of Nigeria Limited, the project solution provider, says BRISIN can generate 10 million jobs.
When you have an integrated system that is using the data, and each ministry, each authority, each government agency will have access to the same data, will be easy to determine what is required and what is not required. So we have this creating credibility because, example, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs will work together with the Ministry of External Affairs to create a proper background for the issuance of the passport, example. You have the identity and the identification of the various citizens, which start from the place of birth, that will give credibility because now you are properly identified, not through an affidavit, but through your father, your mother that has been located in so-so village And that is why BRISIN will be spread all over the world in Nigeria, not only local government. So everything will be available for whichever need to decide what to do in the future. Because, example, you will know the movement of people from one place to another, you will know the type of consumption that people like or they are used to. So you can plan what to buy, what to import, what to, which road to repair. Is not based on simple, let's say,